A Japanese electronics company, Sharp, has launched its new AQUOS series phone in Japan called Sharp AQUOS R11. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Sharp AQUOS R11 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Pro IGZO OLED display with up to 240Hz adaptive refresh rate and up to 3600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset paired with Adreno 825 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. In the camera department, the Sharp AQUOS R11 sports a Leica-powered triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50.3-megapixel primary rear camera with f1.9 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, along with another 50.3-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 122-degree field of view. And there's 38.5-megapixel telephoto lens with OIS support, and additionally, there is a 14-channel spectral sensor. For selfies, it has 50.3-megapixel camera placed inside the center punch hole cutout with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 5,100 mAh battery with 36 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 156 by 74 by 8.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams. The Sharp AQUOS R11 has been priced in Japan at 163,899 Japanese yen, and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in ivory, navy, and terracotta color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from July 8th. So what do you guys think of this Sharp AQUOS R11 smartphone? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.